everybody, today I'm going to show you Caddy's room that I made. So I didn't make all of it, but let's get started. Okay, here we have Caddy sitting on the couch. Yeah, he's sitting around on the couch. Get Caddy off the couch and then show it to you. I don't make tutorials. But see, it's small couch, had a shoebox for that. Yeah. And the same thing with the table. You can see that. Yeah. So I'll shake. Here Caddy's got reading glasses, yeah, she needs help when she reads. Yeah, we lost some money. Yeah, there's some gum that I put on the table. Yeah, I got this thing before. We're not even close to Christmas. Okay, well, this is all of the room. Not any other parts of the house, because there's no other part. How about I show you the dresser and stuff now? Well, let me grab her nice stuff that she needs. What she actually needs. You see this right here? I put that around this, I put this around her eyes, and I use, this to help, yeah. And, Caddy snores when she sleeps, so she needs this, yeah. That's what she really needs when she, goes to, sleep. And, how about now show you guys her dresser. Okay, see this? Yep, that's her dresser. Yeah, it actually has clothes in it. See, this is actually a Webkinz dress. I've had it for a long time. And the rest is like, that was something I forgot. This is, her, necklace. Here's her bow. Yeah, she has a lot in there. Yep. I think there's something from Build-A-Bear in there or something, but I don't remember. That's her dresser. And her nighttime stuff goes on top of her dresser. Actually, now, let's show you, okay, now let's show you her money. Yep, I, made this money box out of Legos. Yeah. I got a $1, a $5. Yeah. Oh, if you want to see the thing I got it with this. I don't remember when, but yeah. We have change, and we have 2 credit cards. I'm not showing the credit cards top because, well, I don't want to. You don't need to. And now let me show you her pet hamsters. Yeah, she has 2 pet hamsters. Zuzu Pets, got them from McDonald's or Burger King. I don't remember, but these are little water things up there. Yeah, put their food in there. Right over here. Can you see her bed? I think I'm gonna bring the bed. I know that. Sorry, let me just show you, this, scarf I use as her blanket. Yeah, it's all ruined. It gets ruined every time I try to put her to bed. I have to fold it a lot. Sometimes this video is a little long. And I taped her, pillow right there, so I can't see her pillow. Sorry. I didn't know I would be making this video at the time. Oh, and right here, yep, there's her window, yep, and look at there's some decorations, and, oh, right here she has, a computer, yep. Stop. Sorry, I'm just trying to keep the camera positioned. Okay. And, here's her, piece of paper. It's supposed to be a piece of homework that she has to write a paragraph on or something. Yeah, I'm gonna figure that out sometime when I start doing something more that involves, that kind of stuff. Probably school. And here's her book. Yeah. Oh, yeah, she was writing a little story. See, yeah, she was writing a little story, yeah. And see, it, looks like a gigantic book to a Webkin. Yeah, but I don't have any Webkin size books, so I had to use something. And that goes right next to the computer, which is also the bookcase. And, oh, want to see her lab? It's cool. Well, not really cool. It's just an eraser and, dinosaur. I think I got some arcade or something. I don't remember, but rawr. Yeah, that's her album. Huh? Is there anything I didn't show you? Well, oh, there's even a little keyboard. Yep, there's a keyboard for. Yep, it's attached to the bed, and here's just some cardboard that I decided to make into a carpet. I don't think I should use a boxes on cards, but yep, this is a rug that she gets in the morning. Yep, and okay, just the TV keeps falling. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that.
Again, we need names for the American Girl dolls. Doll, anyway. It's gonna be a girl. We think it will have blonde hair, but we don't know. We're not sure. Because we don't know which one we're getting. But as soon as we get it, we don't think we're gonna make an opening video or anything. We're just gonna, show it to you. Maybe make a video. Webkins meet American Girl or something. We don't know yet, but peace.